Tired of being late to the party when it comes to game-changing technologies? Well, get ready to jump into the fast lane because today, we're uncovering the best-kept secret of the blockchain world. Welcome to the mind-blowing journey through the incredible Solana blockchain. Solana is a highly functional open-source project that implements a new, permissionless and high-speed Layer 1 blockchain. Created in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, a former executive at Qualcomm, Solana aims to scale throughput beyond what is typically achieved by popular blockchains while keeping costs low. Solana implements an innovative hybrid consensus model that combines a unique proof-of-history (POH) algorithm with the lightning-fast synchronization engine, which is a version of proof-of-stake (POS). Because of this, the Solana network can theoretically process over 710,000 transactions per second (TPS) without any scaling solutions needed. Solana's third-generation blockchain architecture is designed to facilitate smart contracts and decentralized application (DApp) creation. The project supports an array of decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms as well as non-fungible token (NFT) marketplaces. Solana blockchain was rolled out during the 2017 initial coin offering (ICO) boom. The project's internal testnet was released in 2018. Followed by multiple testnet phases leading to the eventual official launch of the main network in 2020. Let's start with two questions. What makes Solana so special? Why was the team's telecommunications background so crucial? The blockchain proof of work, what the mining process entails. Each transaction requires a certain number of checks to be validated, so as to prevent an attacker from falsifying the data to your advantage. This process requires very powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. Originally, mining was for everyone. Today instead there are specialized centers that deal with it, the so-called farms. Energy expenditure is enormous and also creates complications in terms of environmental impact. However, speed and scalability pay the price. Since the proof of work is a complex procedure, the chain is slow and not very scalable. The system is therefore not very efficient. To remedy these limitations, Yakovenko found a way to apply TDMA to the blockchain. Time division multiple access is an operating method in the telecommunications world that allows many players to use the same frequency, trying to make everything as simple as possible. The different antennas of the network are synchronized. Each user is assigned a time slot. Each operation is completed. In the end, each of them is put in the right place, respecting the correct order. TDMA applied to the blockchain offers these advantages. Decentralization. Validator nodes are numerous and operate on the same chain. An internal clock keeps them all synchronized with each other, ensuring the correctness of operations. Speed. Since there are many nodes, transactions do not have to follow a rigid path, gaining a lot in speed. We are talking about tens of thousands of transactions per minute. Scalability. Again, thanks to this system, the chain can grow and offer high scalability. Security. Synchronization enables high security standards. Solana is a blockchain that takes advantage of the above and works using the proof of stake with delegation algorithm, in addition to the proof of history based on TDMA. This system makes it possible for anyone to become a validator. In fact, while on the one hand there are still high stakes on hardware and internet connection speed, on the other hand, no minimum amount of Solana is required in stake. Other blockchains use the delegated proof of stake. In fact, the same, however, it sets very high minimum stakes of the native cryptocurrency to be validators. This system therefore makes the environment decidedly centralized. To date, Solana has 1357 validator nodes. A high number, especially considering the extreme speed for each transaction. Furthermore, proof-of-stake algorithms are basically much more performing than proof-of-work ones. In the case of Solana, the gap becomes even greater. The ability to grow and adapt to needs makes this chain one of the most scalable on the scene. The refined consensus mechanism makes Solana one of the safest environments to operate in the cryptocurrency world. Finally, an important note: the cost of transactions is negligible. The Sol coin. The protagonist of Solana is her coin Sol of her. Let's examine its use cases and its value. First, each transaction is paid in Sol. As this is a heavily used and growing chain, the demand for this coin goes hand in hand. Sol is also delegated to the validators to make the environment more stable and secure. Staking the coin guarantees good returns, especially using platforms such as Marinade Finance. The maximum supply is 489 million copies, a not excessive figure. The growth in recent years has been exponential. From 4 cents in April 2018, the coin reached $258 in November 2021. Lucky early investors. After the bear market of 2022, it suffered a significant price contraction, also thanks to the FTX Alameda case, which can be counted among the main investors. Despite this, development continues unabated. As always, to everyone the appropriate research of the case. This makes Sol one of the cryptocurrencies worth keeping your eyes on and following. Solana has several strengths that can be translated into these three concepts: security, scalability, and decentralization. What are the best possible applications? In all honesty, there is no ideal environment for Solana. In fact, its many qualities make it suitable for very different environments. However, the world of payments is perhaps the field where this chain could make the most of its potential. The speed would guarantee an enormous amount of transactions per second. Scalability would ensure the feasibility of expansions in case of growing diffusion. Security would have everyone's back, from businesses to end users. Let's think of a credit card that uses its blockchain instead of traditional circuits, or maybe that integrates, so as to offer more security and speed. Solana is also one of the most supportive environments in the gaming world. Over the years, the number of games featuring microtransactions has skyrocketed. It is now common to find free high-quality titles, in which the developer company makes profits from the sale of additional items, means of transport, weapons, characters, and levels. Any famous names? Fortnite, Rocket League, World of Tanks. Solana lends itself very well to this reality, also taking advantage of the possibility of moving not only coins but also NFTs. Very interesting projects are being developed. First of all, Star Atlas, an open-world game set in space, created using the Unreal Engine graphics engine and which exploits the Solana blockchain. Although far from publication, this title already has a decidedly large and growing community of fans to keep an eye on. The applications of this chain are not complete. It is also suitable for the sale of NFTs and for trading operations. In the next paragraph, we will see some projects to focus on. Solana is already a pillar of the crypto world. However, it seems that everything is still in its infancy. The potential is enormous and seems to suggest an absolutely protagonist future. The Solana blockchain can also support stablecoins and wrapped assets. As of August 2021, over $700 million worth of USD coin has been issued on Solana. USDC's launch was powered by a collaboration between Coinbase and Circle through the co-founding of the Center Consortium. There are, of course, risks associated with emerging crypto applications and technologies, from extreme volatility to the potential for undiscovered smart contract bugs to be exploited. Especially as a beginner, don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Much like Ethereum, multiple kinds of tokens can be created on Solana. Both fungible and non-fungible tokens of many kinds can be created using the Solana Program Library, SPL. The most interesting projects on the Solana chain. Radium is a very interesting DeFi protocol where you can easily invest your cryptocurrencies. In addition, the abundant liquidity and attentive team ensure high security. Also on this platform there is also the opportunity to buy and sell NFTs. The choice is rich and for all tastes. Remaining in the world of digital art, it is worth mentioning Solanart and SolC. These are non-fungible tokens marketplaces that are widely used and will probably see the number of users grow in the future. Star Atlas is a play-to-earn, open-world, strategy MMORPG and space-based video game. The game mechanics and related NFTs are completely in the hands of the users. All good intentions that were enough to make the hype skyrocket and create a community of hundreds of thousands of people. Star Atlas aims to be a AAA video game built on Solana. The idea is to exploit the speed of a blockchain capable of guaranteeing over 50,000 transactions per second thanks to its protocol. What about Sunny, Saber, Orca, Larix and Port? Very valid DeFi projects, safe and used by many users. In the summer of 2021, the first on the list drove the community crazy thanks to the very high APR given. Thank you for watching the video. We ask you to support the channel by subscribing and sharing the video. Have a good day.